Thanks for stopping back by the channel. Ken here with Struggle Swing Golf. Now, I don't know about you, but if you've watched any of my videos, you know all that crap back there is always there. And quite frankly, I'm tired of seeing it. So we're going to fix that today by putting this thing together. So stick around. Here's the final product. I did make a couple of changes to the curtain itself. I took the four casters off of the legs so that dropped it down flat on the floor. I could slide those feet up underneath the mat here in my enclosure area and, really close it off so there's no light leakage or you can't see anything at all behind the curtain. I also dropped the crossbar about 1.5 inches so those curtains would rest all the way on the floor. And then I raised my camera angle up just about 8 inches probably and tipped the camera down a bit so that way anything above that curtain you're not going to see when I'm filming. Thanks so much for watching. Appreciate y'all. Struggle's always real when it comes to putting stuff like that together because God knows I needed those instructions. And of course it's also real when it comes to getting better at golf and life. I'm going to keep swinging. I hope you keep watching. God bless, and we will see you in the next video.